हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूं प्रशांत। आज के इस सेशन में हम स्टार्ट करने वाले सेशन नंबर 6। तो इसमें हम देखने वाले व्हाट इज मेमोरी मैनेजमेंट, जो कि हमारा बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट रहता है। प्रोसेस ऑफ एलोकेटिंग एंड डीलोकेटिंग memory during program execution, essential for efficient resource utilization and program performance. Prevents memory leaks and segmentation faults. Types of memory in C: static memory location, second dynamic memory location। फर्स्ट हम देखने वाले स्टैटिक मेमोरी लोकेशन। Memory is allocated at compile time, done using variables declared globally or locally, non-dynamic. Memory cannot be resized. Example, int is memory allocated at compile time. Second, dynamic memory allocation. Memory is allocated at runtime from the heap. Allows flexible uses of memory depending on program requirements. डायनेमिक मेमोरी एलोकेशन फंक्शन जो टाइप से हमारे वो देखने वाले हैं: malloc, calloc, free, realloc, malloc in C. What is malloc? Malloc stands for memory allocation. It is used to dynamically allocate memory at runtime from the heap. It returns a pointer to the first byte of the allocated memory. If memory allocation fails, it returns null. You need to use free pointers after you are done to avoid memory leaks. Always check if malloc memory allocation returns null before using the memory. Syntax: pointer, class underscore type, malloc size underscore int underscore bytes. Examples: int double slash 10 elements only, int pointer int malloc 5 size of integer. Second, calloc. The calloc stands for contiguous allocations. Function is similar to malloc, but it initializes the allocated memory to 0. Syntax: pointer is equal to typecast calloc n size. Example: int array int calloc 5 size of integer. We need 5 elements and each one takes 4 bytes because they are integers. So total memory 5 into 4, 20 bytes will be allocated, and all 5 elements will have the value 0 in them. 3. Memory allocated using functions malloc and calloc is not deallocated on their own. The free function is used to return the allocated memory back to the operating system. It is essentially free memory that is no longer needed to avoid memory leaks. इसका जो सिंटैक्स है वो हम देख सकते हैं: free pointer, example int ptr, int malloc, then size of integer, free ptr, realloc. Realloc function is used to resize previously allocated memory block. Syntax: realloc pointer new size, where pointer is the pointer to the previously allocated memory block, and new size is the allocated size that the memory block should have in bytes. This function returns a pointer to the newly reallocated memory, null if the reallocation fails. If it fails, the original memory block remains unchanged. Error handling in C. देख सकते हैं in C programming, error handling is typically done using functions that handle runtime errors. Returning error codes or messages notify the programmer about the failure or incorrect operation. Since C does not provide built-in exception handling like other high-level languages, example try catch in Java or Python, error handling relies on function return values, global variables and system calls. दोस्तों आज के लेक्चर में इतना ही। आगे क्या देखते हैं हम आगे के लेक्चर में।